Yo, so you're looking to transfer money from Netspend to Chime? There are a lot of questions to ask yourself before even trying to transfer money from Netspend to Chime, and thankfully you've landed on the right video that's going to explain everything to you in details. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Netspend to Chime, even though it might not be technically possible. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. There's no direct way to directly link the your Netspend account to your Chime account, either from the Netspend app or from the Chime app. Okay, these two apps do not work together in a direct sense, but there is a way to transfer money between these two apps, which is very practical and has been used by many users since then. And I'll be showing you just the two best ways that you need to know whenever you want to transfer money from Netspend to Chime. Alright, so let's dive in. So diving into the first method to transfer money from Netspend to Chime, I will say using your Chime routing and account number is the best way to proceed. Okay, so using your Chime and routing number, your Chime account and routing number, you'll be able to link your Chime account to your Netspend account and make a transfer from Netspend, just like you will transfer money out of your Netspend account to another account. Okay, so this method has made Chime very practical to transferring money, whether it is from another bank account or from another digital payment service. And in fact, to come to think of it, it is one of the recommended methods that Chime refers to transfer money to your Chime account. Okay, so if you're looking to transfer money from your Chime account, from your Netspend account to your Chime account, then using your Chime routing account number is definitely the first step that you want to take. And the best is that this method covers just 3 steps. The first of which will be to find your Chime account and routing number, and the second will be to link your Chime account to your Netspend. Finally, the last and third step will be to transfer money from Netspend to your Chime account. Okay, so if you're looking for the complete steps or a quick overview of this method, I've dropped a link in the video description referring you to this article just so you can have a best understanding on how this method work. Alright, so if using your Netspend Chime routing and account numbers did not actually work out for you, then you have as an alternative method to use either PayPal or your bank account. Okay, so if you don't have a traditional bank account that's with an established bank, you will need to use your PayPal account. PayPal works with Netspend in most cases through the FlashPay ID. Okay, I've enumerated more of that in the article mentioned in the video description. So for you to transfer money from Netspend to Chime through your PayPal account, you need to make sure that you have an active FlashPay ID that can be gotten from your Netspend account, and once you've gotten this one, it will permit you to transfer money from Netspend to PayPal, and from PayPal you should be able to move your funds to your Chime account. Okay, it should just be like withdrawing money from PayPal to a bank account, because you also need to link your Chime account as well to PayPal just so the transfer will go smoothly. And in the case you use your traditional bank account, you just need to use the Netspend send money feature to transfer money from your Netspend account to your bank account, and from your bank account you should be able to transfer this money to your Chime account or to add it to your Chime account. Alright, so these are just the best and practical ways to transfer money from Netspend to Chime. Okay, so as for the transfer limit, ACS transfers are limited to $10,000 to $25,000 per calendar month. Okay, any transfer to your Chime account is limited to this amount, okay, to this threshold. But there's one thing that you need to know, because every Chime account has its own set of limits. Okay, so you need to check your Chime account to know your own limit that has been applied to your Chime account, as well as any other person who want to check, because yours might not be the same as someone else's limit. So you want to check your Chime account to know exactly what limit you are allowed to transfer money to your Chime account. So that's just how you get to transfer money from your Netspend account to your Chime account. Okay, as a quick recap, you can use either your Chime routing and account number to transfer money from Netspend to Chime, or use your bank account or PayPal account as a bridge for the transfer. Okay, this last method only applies if you are not able to link your Chime account to your Netspend account through the routing and account numbers. Okay, so make sure you check out any of these two methods to make sure that you find the one that works best for you. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. Alright, I catch you in the next episode.